and Becky, and we have some super exciting news about something that we're involved in this weekend. So why don't you tell us a little bit?
Yes, we are super excited. So there is a new venue.
Yes. Oh, it's so good.
Oh my gosh. I'm loving it. I love choices.
Yes.
Well, I do like choices, but
Hard
not
to
a whole. Yeah, exactly. But I love choices. You know, like when you find something and you walk into a place and you're just like, this is it.
Yes.
It's like you know it. It's like a wedding dress.
Yes.
You try on wedding dresses and all of a sudden that one hits you and you're just like, the tears start coming. You can't stop it.
Yes.
You feel beautiful. All of a sudden we can even see you transform. Like we will watch you put on dress and you just kind of walk out on our runway stage.
Yeah.
But that dress, you walk out and all of a sudden I don't even think you recognize it.
No.
I don't think they even know.
No,
Like
they
all of
don't
a sudden,
even know.
like shoulders are back.
Yeah.
Heads up.
Oh,
I mean,
gosh.
your whole walk changes.
Yes.
And we know right then, like, that's
Yep.
your dress. You
Yep.
wouldn't even say nothing. And then all of a sudden, you see yourself in the mirror and you're just like,
It's like finding your man.
And-
When you know, you know.
I mean, just what
And
she
finding
said.
your dress is the same way. Finding
you
your
know,
venue.
You know, finding your
It's right
venue.
with it.
Finding your venue is exactly the same way. That's the whole point of this. So, with that being said,
Yes.
the name of the venue is
Tuscan Rose Vineyard.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Rose Vineyard.
Love it.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, so here's what's exciting about that. They are doing an open house this Sunday. Yes, I said it. This Sunday. I know that sometimes people don't like to do things in advance. Some do. Most don't anymore. It is this Sunday.
Yes.
So if you don't have anything
Need
to do,
make plans.
yes. And if
Come.
you are a newly engaged,
Yes.
come check it out from 1 to 5
5.
this Sunday. So here's what's going to be happening. First, let's tell you how to do that. So
To RSVP, you can email TuscanRoadsVineyard@gmail.com. And make sure to go head over to their Facebook page, give them a like, and check out the Facebook event and mark yourself as going on that.
yes, because you don't want to miss it. And
No.
we're super excited
Definitely.
because we were asked to do a runway show. You like that, right? Yeah.
It's going to be so good.
So we're excited. So Chris and actually Destiny have worked very hard this week on fitting
So much fun.
and having some fun with some models and fitting
Yes.
some models this week and try to make sure we
So
get
pretty.
as close as a perfect fit as we can
Yep.
get. So we're going to be showing, I think, all of our designers, right? Is
Yep,
that
we'll
all?
be showing off all of our designers. We'll have lots of different styles, from ball gown to something that's sleek,
Oh, we
statement
have
gown.
one with pockets.
Yes.
I
Oh
love
my gosh,
pockets. I
and
love
different
pockets.
shapes and sizes. And
Yes,
so
yes.
we're just so excited to show off all of our
Yes.
dresses. It's gonna be wonderful.
Yeah, it's going to be a great time. And there are so many wonderful, amazing local vendors that are going to be there. We have Lisa Presnell, who is an amazing event coordinator. There is Dish It Out Amelia. There's Let Destiny Design. It's so many. I don't even know all of them. I'm going to mess up. So go check out the Facebook page.
Yeah.
Go check out the website. It is going to be an amazing event.
So
You don't want to go Monday and be like, oh my gosh.
Oh, I missed it.
I missed it. I saw all the videos and
I
I saw the
gone.
pictures. I wish I would have gone. I mean,
No.
don't be that person. Like, yeah,
No.
get on and RSVP now and like their page. Like. Okay. I think
That's it.
I think that's it, you guys.
We will see you on Sunday.
Bye.
Bye.